So welcome to this Season Day Scholar, Season 3. And for me, this is one of the, the most close to heart episode because I never thought Yamamoto Sensei will agree to this. So I am so much grateful for you to take part, to take some time out for this podcast, which is made for younger generation and also mid-career, mid-level, and also everybody can learn something out of this conversation. So there is no time bound. We can take the relaxing and all those things. If the time allotted today will finish, we will complete it another day. But anyway, we will go like that. So welcome, Sensei.
Thank you very much for your invitation. Thank you. Yes.
But I heard that you are you are a rich professor because you have a lot of patent and you are getting a lot of money.
No. It's a rumor.
No, during my PhD at Todai, I was. It was like Yamamoto Sensei.
No, it's a rumor.
Oh my God! Thanks to this.
No, it's a rumor. Just rumor. No.
Okay.
My thinking is different. But anyhow, it's good. I understand. Of course, it's all right. But my opinion is different. Something like that.
Okay.
So because I thought my mission, of course, I was lucky, and then my technology was disseminated. But anyhow, it was lucky. But my mission, of course, to contribute society, of course, and then solve problem and contribute something for the public, not for money, definitely.
Yeah. So this is really nice question, though it was not there in our plan. But yeah, sometimes patent has its role and has its value, but many times I have seen that a lot of professors giving up the royalties and like that. But your invention has helped a humankind. That is more important, more satisfying. How about you have told turning point, but how about cherished moments? Like you got the award, Singapore Water Prize, or so what are those cherished moments?
Yes. Yeah, right. If you're talking about award, so ideally, this moment is when I got the Sydney Loeb Award from the European Desalination Society. I went to Jordan, and then the society meeting, and I got the award in a very, very nice occasion. The very beautiful theater, but point is, I think this one is maybe not so known, many people, but Sydney Loeb is inventor of the reverse osmosis membrane. So RO was widely used anyhow, and already, of course. Then Sydney Loeb also very his idea is very, very innovative anyhow. That's why I'm very much grateful to, because of course this is not so popular, I understand. Then because I said to my wife, of course, my wife envy, I went to Jordan.
Why didn't you take her?
No, at that time, no. Yeah. So anyhow, this was, I think, very much, I was very much grateful. Besides any other awards. Of course, Lee Kuan Yew Water Prize, of course, very much grateful recently. But these two are cherished moments. Yes. In terms of the award itself.
And in terms of achievement, what were the most productive time of your career?
I would say, so this means that maybe I mentioned already, when I returned from Tohoku University, 1984, I started some membrane bioreactor, and I got idea to utilize hollow fiber, immersed submerged type, and did it, and then succeeded. Then wrote a paper, 1987, 3 years. This was the most productive of my life, research life.
And what were the biggest challenge has been in your career so far?
So biggest challenge, probably I can't.
Maybe
The biggest challenge means because maybe you understand. You understand. Already I already retired from the University of Tokyo.
Yeah, I know.
Then you know, and you know very well, right? Because I maybe you understand. You understand me because more. I'm not. I should not say right now, researcher or something like that. Because I did. So when I retired at my age of 59 from University of Tokyo, 59.
You can have work until 65.
I went back. I went to AIT. This is we call it some cross appointment, and then AIT called joint appointment, and I served the administration vice president of AIT. This is a main task. And then when I retired from University of Tokyo, 1959, then I got position, annual base salary position, same professor, SIP of the University of Tokyo, but the workload reduced to 40%. And the salary reduced 40% from University of Tokyo. Of course, I made advisory of the student, but I could, but of course at that time I did SATREPS project, but I have a responsibility to complete this project. Of course, I did it. And before that, I did something like renovation project, that's something national. It's a kind of national project, but I completed. Then most of big project I have completed around that time. Then after that, I concentrated on administration work. I have to. Then this means advising. I continued advising of the PhD student also, but the main job is changed. So since then, probably this one is almost 9 years or 10 years, because I should not say I'm a researcher, something like that. This is the position changed, and the work mission changed.